The world of finance is in constant flux, evolving at a breakneck pace. From ancient barter systems to today's digital economies, the way we manage and exchange value has transformed dramatically. The internet and blockchain technology have ushered in a new era of decentralized, transparent, and accessible finance. This is the promise of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi replaces intermediaries with code, returning control to individuals. The rise of DeFi has been meteoric, disrupting established norms. Imagine a world where financial services are available to anyone with an internet connection. This essay will explore the key concepts of DeFi, compare it to traditional finance, and delve into its potential benefits and risks. Welcome to the financial revolution. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a system of financial applications built on blockchain technology. These applications aim to recreate and enhance traditional financial instruments in a decentralized architecture. In simpler terms, DeFi is like building a bank without the building, tellers, or CEO. It's a financial ecosystem run by code, transparent, and accessible to everyone. At the heart of DeFi are smart contracts, self-executing agreements written in code. These contracts automate financial transactions, eliminating the need for intermediaries. Imagine a loan agreement that automatically disperses funds and collects repayments without human intervention. DeFi applications operate on public, permissionless blockchains, meaning anyone can access and use them. This open and inclusive nature contrasts with the often exclusive world of traditional finance. DeFi democratizes access to financial services, empowering individuals and communities worldwide. It's a financial system built by the people, for the people. Traditional finance, or TradFi, relies on centralized institutions like banks and governments to facilitate transactions. These institutions act as intermediaries, controlling access to financial services. This centralized structure can create bottlenecks and inefficiencies. In contrast, DeFi operates on a decentralized network, eliminating intermediaries. In TradFi, access to financial services can be limited by location, credit score, or regulations. DeFi is open to anyone with an internet connection. TradFi transactions are often opaque, while DeFi offers complete transparency with public blockchain records. In TradFi, individuals have limited control over their assets, whereas DeFi empowers individuals with direct ownership. This self-custody is a cornerstone of the DeFi ethos. Several DeFi platforms are already operational, showcasing real-world applications. Uniswap, a decentralized exchange, allows users to swap cryptocurrencies directly without a centralized intermediary. Compound enables users to lend and borrow cryptocurrencies with algorithmically determined interest rates. Aave offers flash loans, allowing users to borrow and repay funds within a single transaction block. These platforms demonstrate DeFi's potential to disrupt traditional financial systems. The DeFi ecosystem is constantly evolving, with new projects emerging daily. These platforms highlight DeFi's transformative potential. DeFi offers numerous benefits over traditional finance. Accessibility is a key advantage, removing barriers to entry. Anyone with an internet connection can access DeFi platforms. Transparency is another benefit, with all transactions recorded on the public blockchain. This openness fosters trust and reduces the potential for fraud. DeFi eliminates intermediaries, streamlining transactions and reducing costs. Users hold their own private keys, giving them direct control over their assets. This self-custody eliminates counterparty risk. DeFi promises to deliver even greater value and utility as it evolves. While DeFi holds immense promise, it's essential to be aware of potential risks. Smart contract vulnerabilities can be exploited by hackers, leading to financial losses. Regulatory uncertainty is another challenge, with evolving regulations creating potential hurdles. Scalability issues can lead to congestion and high transaction fees. DeFi platforms can be complex, requiring technical understanding. Improving user interfaces and educational resources is crucial for broader adoption. Despite these challenges, the DeFi community is actively working to address these issues. It's important to recognize the risks while acknowledging DeFi's transformative potential. Stay informed and navigate the DeFi landscape wisely.